Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show you how to make this type 3D desktop. Use this image for desktop background and use this the application to remove shortcut icons of the applications. You can download it. Link is given in description below. So first of all, set this image to desktop background. Right click, set as desktop background. Okay. Then install this application. I already installed this application. You can install it, download it and install it. Okay, then right click, view, show desktop icon, show desktop gadgets, auto arrange icons. Click on auto arrange icon. Okay, then copy this computer to here. Desktop is here. To all other folders to copy this. Okay, copy all folder to this. Okay, then set here your applications in this board. Set your applications here. Okay, this is done. Mm, make a 3D desktop is successfully created. So I hope you like it and subscribe my channel Technical and Programming AK and then click on bell icon for another new videos. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.